Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Minds Unlock. It's awesome to have you here. And today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a simple but super effective progress chart in Excel using a donut chart. This is perfect for tracking project completions, monitoring goals, or working with any kinds of percentage-based data. So let's dive in and unlock the power of data together. Alright, what we have here is the category, percentage, the remaining tasks, completed tasks, and 78%. And basically, this 73 is the equal value for this one, 78%. And the remaining task is 22%. And if 1 in Excel is the 100% if you are calculating percentage, minus C6 or the 78% on the value in completed tasks, then we have the value of 22%. We're gonna change it for, I guess, 80. Okay, and we have 20% remaining tasks and completed as the 80. So we have to convert it into a donut chart. Okay, all right, we have the donut chart. So we insert and just click it here. Okay, we don't need the title and the also the labels. All right, we have the clean, I guess. Yeah, right, we have to fill it out with the gradient color. So yeah, I just want to pick the green which in the completed task, I guess. Okay, uh, you have to double click it on gradient color. All right, this okay, we have to more colors. We have to make it in the hex color, and also to it's 0 to AA B day. Okay, and also we have to change it. It's not really not good. Hashtag 00C DAC. Okay, okay, think, yep. And the remaining tasks, we have to, I guess we have to pick the second one. Okay, the sanguine or sanguini, I guess. Don't know the exact name for it. The gradient, just to make sure that we click the single one. Okay, colors, custom, and type the color. Hashtag D41 for highway. Hey, okay, and the second one, more colors, and also you can just copy it if you like. Mm-hmm. Gradient color. Okay, fill more colors. The hex, copy it. Okay. Yep, you have a donut chart. Alright, a clean donut chart. Just resize it. Okay, I guess. And we have the 80%. We have to make it in the center. Okay, to do that, we have to insert text box. Okay, and just make it larger. equals, you have to make it in the formula bar, equals 80% the completed test. Okay, just make it big, I guess, bold, roughly 32, 28, or 24 is good. Alright, just make it center. Okay, just need some effect to an effect to separate it on the negative, on the positive side, or the completed task and the remaining task. We have to do that in just double click on it, and the series options will appear, and select this one, negative one, and roughly we have to make it 3%. I think that will be good for this one. Alright, that's nice. Just have the separations of about it. Okay, make it center. Okay, just to test it out. 50. Whoa, that's really good now. 70. Alright, and I guess that's it. You have a clean donut chart, and thank you for watching.